Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing the recipe of egg and cheese toast. Crispy toasted bread with boiled eggs, some seasoning and melted cheese on top. You can have it as a snack for breakfast, or since it's Ramadan you can have it for Sahoor or Iftaar. So let's go and see what we need for this yummy recipe. So here I have some white bread slices. You can use whatever you like. Cheddar and mozzarella cheese. I'm using both. You can use either one of them. Hard-boiled eggs, some chopped cilantro and crushed red chilies. So first in your mixing bowl, add your cheddar and mozzarella cheese, crushed red peppers and your chopped cilantro. Mix this mixture very well and then keep it on the side. Arrange your lightly toasted bread on a baking pan and then arrange your hard-boiled eggs on your bread slices. Season it with some salt and black pepper and then spread your cheesy mixture on top of it. You can go as much or as less as you want. Then start your broiler on high and put your toast in the oven. It will take like around 2 to 3 minutes, but keep an eye on them. Don't leave it from your side. And as soon as the cheese is melted, your toast are completely done. Cut your toast diagonally and serve. So here's my egg and cheese toast ready to eat. You can serve it with your favorite dip. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Ramadan Kareem from morEwish and family. Don't forget to subscribe.